about that. Like, what kind of vlog can we make out of this? 'Cause, it's just we're just exploring stuff, I guess, right?
I think it's a friend vlog.
Or it could be a frenemy vlog.
In the smoky light and in the rain, working through the night and through the haze, you lay it down each day with heavy eyes, just to wake again, just as tired. So may every morning find the mercy new.
Welcome back to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. Today we are beyond Las Vegas. We are actually in East Henderson. We're going to check out this abandoned mine, and I have some guests with me today. Over here we have half of the Cassie and Michelle show. Cassie.
Hey guys.
And of course we have Sleepy, or Sleepless in Las Vegas, Teddy Bear. Ted.
Baby Ted would call me on the comments now for some reason. Who started that?
And of course my buddy who I love to hate, Joe from Straight Outta Vegas.
You do love to hate me, there's no doubt about it. But you're my friend, Alan. I don't care if you hate me. I still love you.
That's what friends do.
Exactly.
We hate to love each other, or love to hate each other. It's both. Located near Lake Las Vegas and about 40 miles east of the Las Vegas Strip is an abandoned manganese mine, currently referred to as Three Kids Mine. This mine was active from 1917 through 1961 and was the largest manganese mine in the United States. At that time, it was designated as Manganese One Plant. Look, we're doing intros. Hey, buddy, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Mark from The Other Me. Make sure you like, share, subscribe his stuff.
And lighting up to shine upon the fallow fields.
According to a professor from the College of Southern Nevada, the name Three Kids Mine was an inside joke and so named for the three original founders of the mining company. In addition to the actual mine, there are 8 large circular concrete structures referred to as settling ponds. These ponds were used in processing the manganese. Now 2 of the settling ponds are acid resistant, but I have no clue which 2.
Your eyes and see above the leaves, above the war-torn dreams. I am here, so put your hand in mine. You're not alone. I'll be by your side through it all.
This area is considered contaminated, and in fact, former President Obama and Congress passed the Three Kids Mine Remediation and Reclamation Act in 2014. Its sole purpose was to mitigate the toxins in the soil and the structures, but so far, none of that has been completed.
On the fallow fields. So may every blossom break into the day. Up from underneath the gravel and the clay.
It was nice seeing half of the Cassie and Michelle show. Cassie, it's always a pleasure.
Same to you. Thanks for having me.
Would you come back again?
Yeah, I would. Probably like dressed different, hair and makeup done. Definitely to take some pictures.
That's a good idea. I know just a photographer, and it's not me.
You're talking about Mark, right?
This is my Laughlin travel buddy. Someone commented, why did we wear masks in cars?
Safe.
He wants to keep the old men safe. That's exactly the real answer. What'd you think about, what do you think?
It was cool. I feel like we probably should have came a little bit earlier, only because we lost light really quick. But yeah, it was cool. I do want to come back and get in there though. Yeah.
We'll bring a ladder. So thanks for taking us here.
No, cool, man. It's a kind of a neat place. You got to see it at least once, you know.
Thanks, Mark, and let's go grab a bite.
Yeah, let's do that. I'm starving.
Me too.
Yep. Alan, this is your first time to the Kids Mine?
It actually is.
What do you think about it?
It was interesting.
I was talking to Mark about that. Like, what kind of vlog can we make out of this? You know, we're just exploring stuff, I guess, right?
I think it's a friend vlog.
Or it could be a frenemy vlog.
It is. Captain Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
So that's it for the Three Kids Mine and the Wheel of Misfortune. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
In the smoky light and in the rain.